Well, my name is Cairo, and I thought that YouTube was going to be a lucrative side hustle. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how much or how little I've made as a tiny YouTuber, and we'll get to if it's a profitable side hustle later on in the video. Okay, let's dive in. So I got two YouTube channels, and this is the one you're watching at the moment. It's a $1 Million Hustle. It's documenting everything I'm doing to try and get to $1 million over the next 3 years. So if you want to help out, you can crush that like button and subscribe. That would be awesome. Now for this channel, I'm close to 1,000 subscribers, but not quite yet there. I'm only on 939. So if you give it a little subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. Now on my other channel, that is my music channel. So I'm a musician and I sing or do music challenges or talk about music marketing and that kind of stuff. That channel's got slightly more subscribers at 1,478, but neither of these channels are yet monetized because you got to get over 4,000 hours of watch time, and because I haven't had any huge breakaway videos that have gone quote unquote viral, I have not yet achieved that famous 4,000 hours of watch time mark. Now that is one of the requirements that you need in order to be monetized on YouTube and to qualify to get ad revenue. But anyway, as a small YouTube channel, you're probably not going to make that much money from ad revenue anyway, also depending on what your niche is. Because like I've spoken about in a couple other videos, the amount you get paid out for YouTube ads varies significantly based on the type of content that you are talking about. So if you are doing a what I eat in a day video, you're probably going to get less money from ad spend from advertisers than you would if you were doing a personal finance video, for example. So if I am not monetized on either of these channels, how have I made any money so far? And the disclaimer is I have made some, but it's not a lot. So if you're expecting to see fortunes in this video, yeah, you might as well click away because it's not that much money. But I am going to talk about whether I'm going to keep persevering and what I think the future is going to hold for my YouTube channels. Now, one of the ways you can make money as a YouTuber without YouTube ad spend is through affiliate marketing, and that is essentially where you put links down in the description of your videos and you're pointing to different types of products, and if people then hit that link and fulfill whatever the goal is that the advertiser wants, whether they buy the product or whether they sign up to the list or whatever, then you get a small commission or a small payout. Now Amazon Associates, or the Amazon Affiliate Program, is the biggest affiliate program probably in the world, but the percentage payouts that you get are pretty small. So for example, at the bottom of some of my videos, I've got links to, for example, the stand I use, or the microphone I use, or the camera I'm using, right? And if someone clicks on that and then buys within a certain window, I get a teeny weeny little polka dot bikini of commission. Now, drum roll, because I'm going to show you how much that has been over the last 9 months of doing YouTube, and it is not a lot. $37 US, and that is from the last 9 months of being on YouTube and making pretty regular videos. So nothing to write home about, but as far as I can tell from other YouTubers that are not tech-ubers or not like whole YouTubers, their Amazon affiliate revenue is pretty much the smallest slice of their pie. Now, I was quite hopeful because I made a few videos about TubeBuddy, which is this way that you can figure out what topics to make videos about, which, you know, is pretty struggling, which is actually kind of tricky because I don't know what to make videos about all the time. It's actually takes up way more creative energy than I thought it would. So I promoted that link in a bunch of the videos, and I've had 178 people click on those links. So that's kind of cool. Only 17 of those people have installed TubeBuddy because there's a free version. So that's not bad. That's like a pretty much 10% conversion rate. So that's great. But then I only get commission if someone goes from being a free user of TubeBuddy to being a paid user of TubeBuddy, and sadly only one person has purchased so far, and you only get paid out over a certain limit, so $0 from there. So Amazon in the $30 mark, TubeBuddy still in the $0 mark. Now, where have I gotten any money from YouTube so far? And that is from my music channel, and specifically from one video. So this video is effectively my most watched video, and it started off just at snail's pace, slowly trickling in some views, mainly from YouTube search, because this video is on a topic that there weren't a lot of videos about, and that the interest in the topic grew over time. So I made a review video about this music software, music program, music website, and I was able to put an affiliate link in the description for that video. So the video got 24,000 views, and now let's see how much money I made from those 24,000 views. $294 US. So it's not terrible. And again, it's pretty interesting because you only get paid out if people pay for a campaign. So again, they can join for free, but you only get paid out if they pay. And you can see loads of people have joined, which is kind of cool, but I will only get paid out when those people become paying members. So I'm not unhappy with that. This is a video that took me maybe a day and a half to make, and has generated close to $300 worth of revenue, and will hopefully keep making more and more if the video stays relevant, if people keep searching for it, and if people keep hitting my affiliate link down in the description. Now, $300 might not sound very much, but the video only got 24,000 views. So let's see how much that works out per 1,000 views, because CPM, that's generally how, if you're trying to get a sponsorship deal on YouTube, or if you're working with YouTube Adsense, that's how they calculate your payout on 1,000 view basis. Alright, so let's do that quick little calculation. We made $293, and we divide that by the total number of views, right, to figure out how much we got paid per view, essentially. It's not going to be a lot. That's that over there, and then we times it by 1,000 to get what the CPM would be. And that works out to $12 per 1,000 views. So pretty cool. If this video keeps growing at that rate, that's a pretty decent little bit of passive income, so I'm not complaining about that at all. It also gives me a few ideas. If, for example, a similar brand reached out wanting me to do a sponsorship review of their product, I kind of have a rough idea of how much I can charge. I'd be like, okay, well, this is how much I might be getting through an affiliate program, so maybe I want $15 per 1,000 views or $20 per 1,000 views, and that's just negotiation. So all in all, $293 and some money from a couple of other affiliate things that haven't paid out yet because I haven't reached the threshold, plus about $30 from Amazon Associates. So that just takes me over the $300 mark, maybe around $330, $340. But that's after months and months of doing it. So something that I've learned the hard way is that YouTube is a long slog. It's going to take ages before I reach those levels where I can start making decent money from this side hustle. So is it my most profitable side hustle? Hell no. Loads of my other side hustles start making money pretty much straight away. Just like my Airbnb business, I started making money pretty much in the second month. So if you're interested in that, I'll pop a link down below. You can check out more videos about my Airbnb side hustle. And I recently bought a business for no money that was already profitable. So I'm going to make a video about that in the future. So make sure you subscribe. You'll also be helping me get closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And if you like these videos, just let me know down in the comment. That bit of encouragement is super helpful, especially because, like I've shown in this video, you put loads of time into making them and not many people necessarily see them. So if you're one of the few, let me know down in the comments. I'd appreciate a little wave emoji or something. What is really important to remember is that these things take time, but the effort that you put in is going to lead to rewards down the line. So once you do grow an audience, once you do have people that are interested in what you have to say, then there are way more opportunities to monetize. So am I quitting YouTube? No. But I would like you to watch this video next, so check it out. I'll see you in there, and let's hustle together.